Bonjour, band members. Today is Thursday, November 19th. Here are the COVID updates for the counties. Aiken County, yesterday they were 548 positive cases. Today they are 563. Crow Wing, yesterday, 2,688. And today they are 2,810. In Mille, yesterday, 1,139. And today 1,178. So we can see that we have exceeded the 1,000 mark here in Mille County. And in Pine County, yesterday 996, and today they have 1,023. So Pine County has also passed the 1,000 mark as well. So there are increases of positive cases in our districts on the reservation. In District 1, we are now at 40 positive cases. District 2, 8, and District 3, 11. We have a very important message from Public Health regarding COVID testing. And depending on where you live, you may do a test elsewhere at a different medical facility. We were asking that if you do go to a different medical facility, please call the clinic and let us know if you are positive. And of course, if you're feeling symptoms, make sure that you stay home, you monitor your symptoms, and if they get worse, then please call the 24/7 nurse line. And we want to make sure that we keep track of band members that are going to the different clinics. Not all of the clinics share their information with us, so we are asking you to please share that with the Ney-la-Shing Clinic if you go to a different clinic for a COVID test and you are tested positive. And again, as we always say, please use your mask and also wash your hands frequently and 6 feet social distancing. But during this time of this huge surge, please stay home at all costs and only go out if you really need to. The governor addressed all Minnesotans last night on the 6 o'clock news, and he is asking all of us to dial back in order to mitigate the rapidly rising spread of COVID-19. And he has placed greater restrictions on all of us for the next 4 weeks, beginning at 11:59 p.m. on Friday, November 20th. And of course, we're not allowed to gather with people outside of our own households. And also the restricting of the social gatherings and staying home whenever possible. And we can make a difference there. And of course, the tough one is with the students that aren't allowed to play their sports for the next 4 weeks. And we all have nieces and nephews, grandkids that are playing sports, and you know that they're going to be pretty upset about that. But that's only for the next 4 weeks, so we can, I guess we can handle that since we've been doing it for a long time, since March. So what is open, groceries and retail stores, takeout and delivery for the restaurants, hair salons and personal care services, and of course, outdoor recreation. And a lot of those we asked to follow, even though on the Mille Band, we will still have our businesses open as normally unless we see big spikes, and then we will make some adjustments as we go along. Yesterday, Band Assembly met appropriation bill. I signed into law for the stimulus for the month of December. So please know that that's coming. And each month, depending on what happens, we will stay with the stimulus, or we may go back to per capita payments. So today I was on a Minnesota housing, and that's a state committee I sit on. They talked a little bit about the CHAP program, and that is the assistance program. If you're behind in your mortgages, your rent payment, your fuel, And even if you use bulk fuel, you can apply for the program. And we had a question because we have Mille Lacs band members that live all over the state of Minnesota. And when they hear about this program, of course, they come to Mille Lacs to sign up and to get the assistance. And a lot of times they're told that you have to go back to the county or the area where you're from. And so we're trying to get that clarified to make it easier for band members to apply for this program if they need be. And I don't know if you've been out today. The weather is very nice, and I know we have a couple more days of that, so I look forward to that. And with that, have a good evening, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.